here in Sestao, we're, I would state that we're pushing for some very ambitious goals. Ironically, we're a small municipality. In a way, we're like the ugly duckling. Ugly because historically the city was very ugly because of the industrial past. And I think we've got the opportunity of leapfrogging in turning from this ugly duckling into this municipality, whereby even Bilbao itself, we were able to get ahead in terms of the sustainable achievements that we're able to achieve in the future. The people living here are mostly workers, like in factories, or well, that used historically to be very much the case. Since the factories closed down, unemployment has been the biggest one in the Basque Country at the municipal level. So culture, education, well, it's one of the things we're struggling with, like how to get all the kids to go to school and finish school. And so I mentioned that because the scope and the vision of how much we can present and open the scope of possibilities, that can be a bit of a challenge at times. When people are struggling to get ends to meet at the end of the month, and then stating, hey, would it not be nice having all the city with renewable energy and electrical vehicles in some years' time? The gap is very wide between the current scenario right now and that future. If we're talking of energy communities, I mean, we're pushing for this really hard, really big. The number one group we're thinking of is those people that are suffering from energy poverty. I mean, they're literally people in Sestao that don't have heating. Perhaps they'll have some electrical heating if they plug a small, electrical heater in the socket, but that's really expensive, and thus they end up just wearing lots of sweaters and and managing as they can. But that's a reality, in the same way that there's a place right next to where we are where people line up for getting food, donations of food. So again, we're in the municipality with the greatest unemployment level, and the social economical struggles are a reality, and they're big. But if we're able to get over that and imagine and brainstorm into the future, then yes, I think a grassroots movement is the ideal, and who doesn't want a better future for their children and their city and their neighborhood?